Welcome to 5551 Green Meadow Court, a haven of luxury and comfort. This former Burke built model home is a true masterpiece, cherished by its loving owner. Get ready to be amazed. Step into the grandeur of this 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath residence. The journey begins in the dramatic 2-story foyer, adorned with gleaming hardwood floors that guide you through this remarkable home. Indulge in unforgettable dining experiences in the formal dining room, featuring a bow window, tray ceiling, and impeccable hardwood floors. Unwind in the great living room with its cozy gas fireplace and oversized patio doors that lead to a deck. Prepare gourmet meals in the spacious, upgraded kitchen. It boasts a breakfast bar, separate eating area with a delightful backyard view, and all newer appliances, inspiring your culinary adventures. Retreat to the luxurious primary suite, featuring a rejuvenating jacuzzi tub, walk-in shower, double sinks, and ample closet space, a true sanctuary to relax and rejuvenate. The additional bedrooms offer generous space for family members or guests, ensuring comfort and privacy for everyone. A lovely backyard awning on the deck creates a peaceful oasis in your own backyard or an amazing space for entertaining guests. With high ceilings and an abundance of natural light, this home exudes warmth and elegance at every turn. Don't miss the opportunity to make this dream home yours. Join us at the open house on June 3rd from 1 to 3 and discover a lifetime of memories waiting for you. See you soon.